What is going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. My name is Anthony Pinto da Costa and you are watching the Canadian Physio Student. Good morning, people. It is now the first day of second semester, second year physiotherapy school. As you guys will see later in this video when I show you my semester schedule, it's going to be an extremely busy semester. Again, it's 6 weeks, just like last semester, and we have 3 courses this time. We have complex health conditions, the second half of our cardiorespiratory physiotherapy course, and then we have a course called motor function and occupation. And due to this very busy schedule, I'm trying to get up early in the morning and just go to the gym, get that out of the way as opposed to doing it after school like I usually would. Because honestly, if I don't do this, I'm not gonna have any time. But anyways, I'm just gonna eat my breakfast quickly, drink my coffee, head out to the gym, and when I come back, I'll catch up with you guys before heading out to class. Reed, how you feeling about second semester?
We're back, baby.
We're back, baby. Knowledge is power, baby. All right, just got back from a very productive workout. Gonna have a second breakfast here, shower, and then I'm gonna head to class. Alright guys, so we're off the cardio. I won't be able to film in this one, but the classes later and the lab later I'll be able to film, so stay tuned for that. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Dirko, you hyped for second semester?
Oh, you know, can't wait. Cardio rest, gonna be a blast.
Alright, so we just finished class, just a little introductory class, about 20 minutes. Now here with the boys, Mr. Hogue. These boys are already working hard here. We already got homework, so we're just grinding in the library here. Grind it. Karen, any words of wisdom for the semester? Rip it. Grip it and rip it. Dirks, I know you got words of wisdom. You're like 35. At least.
I got nothing right now.
Got nothing. Alright, we're gonna work on this. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. You're sitting in the chair too long. Just gotta give yourself a little bit of.
I'm pretty pumped. I think it'll be fun.
Smart man.
Yeah.
Smarter mans. Just finished the case history. I had no idea what the hell I was doing, so I just took all my answers from this guy. Off to the second lecture of the day. We got complex care. No. Conditions. Complex conditions. Alright, so we just got home from class. Back here to eat some lunch, but we got someone that we want to introduce to you.
Lovely people of YouTube, big introduction. This is my girlfriend, Andrea Geddes.
That was delayed.
That is blasphemous!
Anyways, Andrea over here is going to make us some lunch now. Oh yeah, aren't you?
No, I couldn't think of anything.
Oh, okay. So when we're done here, we're gonna head to class, and that one I can actually film in, so I'll catch up with you guys when I get there.
can't tell by your facial expression. So I always love this part of the program because to me this is kind of this consolidation phase. Spinous process is going to swing down, and then you'll start taking the other one that you're feeling. That's when you know you can get that segment and the rocking this to your abdomen to create a little bit of a lever. Whether you do this type of technique or whether it's
Not bad. For the last year.
Alright, so just got home from a very long day of class. I'm just going to make some dinner right now. I'll show you guys what I make. And then after I'll go over all the material that we covered today. Alright, so this is what we got for dinner tonight. A few sweet potatoes, some quinoa here with some cucumber, tomatoes, a little bit of sriracha dressed on there. And then the big boy, maple glazed salmon. So I'll eat this and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I'll quickly just show you what we learned today in class. So in our complex health conditions class, we just did rheumatology and we just learned all about what rheumatoid arthritis is, what the pathophysiology is, the causes, and just everything about it. And then in our motor function and occupation course, we just did examination of the spine. So again, this was review for us. We actually did a spine course just last year for second semester of first year. So all this was just review and just getting it all back into our heads. And then again in lab, we just reviewed those skills that we learned in class and just put them into practice. So as promised earlier in the video, I told you guys that I would show you our schedule for the semester. So as you can see here, very busy this semester. We got 3 courses, but it is within a 6-week span. So we definitely got our hands full for this one. So that is basically it for today's vlog. Before I end this though, I just want to say thanks to all you guys who've reached out to me, have given me some feedback on this channel, and just all the tip videos that I put up. I really appreciate that. Of course, I already have the drive to keep doing this, but when I get messages from you guys saying all these positive things, it's just gives me that much more of a boost to do it. So thank you. Anyways, that is the first week of second semester, second year physiotherapy school. So if you like this video, make sure to like, share, of course, smash that subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, whether they're positive or negative. Doesn't matter to me. I'm open to all of it. And if you don't want to do that, you can reach out to me on my Instagram at CDNPhysioStudent, and we can have a chat from there. So that's it for today, and I will see you guys at the next video.
Another day, another dollar to be made. I'm a workaholic, ballin' hard until the grave. Used to wanna be a baller for the NBA, till the fellas around me started dunking in the 7th grade.